An avocado fell on Sebastian? How in the world did that happen? How in the world did that happen, Mom? Where in the world was he at when he got hit by an avocado? I ain't never heard of anyone getting hit by an avocado. Oh, no, Manuel did. Where was he at when he got hit by an avocado? What? The backyard? So he got hit in the head with an avocado in the backyard. Oh, is he okay? Is he okay, Mom? Oh, by cutting the tree down. Okay. He got hit in the head by an avocado tree by cutting it down. Okay. I gotcha. That makes sense. Okay. I'm making sure he's okay, Mom. But I ain't never heard of anybody getting hit with an avocado. I was like, what in the world? Like, okay, as long as he's okay, that's fine. As long as he's fine, that's all right.